Hey, what's up guys, Gearton here. Noise cancellation headphones. A trend that was started back in 2016 by Bose with the release of QC35. Soon after that, Sony followed, and a year later with an upgrade to MDR1000X with more improvements and integration to Google Assistant built in. The Sony WH1000X Mark II wireless headphones, perhaps unsurprisingly, are very well built. They have a metal bridge with a padded bottom that embraces the top of head, while the faux leather ear cups are comfortable and cool, even after extended use. They have a bit of a heft to them but can be worn without causing neck strains. The sound? In the past 3 months I have traveled to Toronto and Arizona, which provided me with an opportunity to test the full potential of noise cancellation these headphones has to offer. Before the flight took up, I put them on and I felt like I was the only one, literally only one in the plane. The sound is crisp, the bass is loud, and provides you with the best quality sound for its price. Once paired with the mobile app, you can customize the headphone experience even further. There are various features, but the one you will love using the most is adaptive sound control. This feature automatically detects and enhances according to the activities around your surroundings. The right side cup is used for various touch gestures, like double tap to play and pause the music, swipe up and down for volume, and front and back swipe for music controls. And finally, if you cover your right ear cup, it allows you to hear outside noise rather than removing your headphones itself when you're talking to your friends. Sony claims the WH1000X Mark II headphones has around 30 hours of battery life, a claim that seemed to hold true through the testing process. It was quick to charge as 10 minutes of charge provided me with the 70 minutes of music playback, and it's 100% accurate claim. Finally, there are a few problems which I face since I have larger ears. I started feeling discomfort due to extended use. I recommend you to relax your ear after some time. If you're in the market to get yourself a pair of great noise cancellation headphones, then you're in the right place. They offer tons of features and access to Google Assistant for hand-free use. Leave a comment down below to let us know if you're getting one of this pair for yourself or as a gift for someone else this Christmas. That's it for the video. Like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay up to date with our latest videos. We are soon holding a giveaway once we hit 500 subs on this channel, so stay tuned for that. The steps are easy, really easy to follow. Just follow our Instagram and Twitter and subscribe to this channel on YouTube. The more you share our social media accounts and our YouTube channel videos, there's a better chance for you to win. The best part of this giveaway is that it's international. Yes, you heard it right. It's international, so it doesn't really matter which part of the world you live. You're welcome to join and hope the best that you win. By the way, before we end, big shout outs to Gearton for being the model for this video. Well, his Instagram and other credentials for social media will be down in the description. Please don't forget to check it out. In the future video coming out, we're going to announce the product that we're going to give away and official steps and tricks on how to be on the top of the list to win our giveaway. Until the next time, it's me, Gearton from Gearton. Peace.